Good morning. Been a while, guys. Are we back? Are we back, guys? Yeah, I was pretty bearish. Obviously, I'm only long Tesla right now. Oh, word. Well, I'm kind of close, but I'm not in an evacuation zone. But yeah, the fire shit it was definitely going. I mean, it burned down it's pretty close. I live in Venice, which is yeah, I mean, you can look on a map where it is. But yeah, I damn, I did a lot of shit. So I mean, I didn't do a lot of shit, but I took like a couple days off because I got hella tilted because I cut my short on Ion Q end of day or around end of day, and I missed the big move. Even though I could have played it on open, and I was hella tilted. Anyway, whatever. It's all good. I tried trading the VIX again a few times. Dumb idea. I lost money trading the VIX, obviously. What else did I do? Uh, I traded Rigetti and Lace yesterday. I didn't make much on this. I just made a little bit. I didn't hold them into today. I was pretty worried about CPI. I thought we might. Well, uh, I mean, you can see, right, like the failed breakdown here, right? And we're still not out of the woods yet, I would say, but like this anyway, sentiment was pretty bearish, I guess. So, and on the other hand, right, like failed breakdown here, failed breakdown on a lot of these like RSP, KRE, right? Like these financials failed to break down. And yeah, and now there are a lot of these are gapping up, right? Like on earnings. So earnings season is starting off pretty well with banks. What else was I gonna say? Yeah, Bitcoin kind of had a head and shoulders, and then it dipped down. Now it's at least gonna test 100K again, but I'm not long. I thought about it, but what is this? CG. It's okay. I'm not gonna rush into anything right now. But yeah, overall, a lot of things are strong, right? Like I cleared out this list. Oh, I didn't talk about this, but I finally noticed that the old Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae were going. So these went on the election, obviously, and then I don't know what exactly happened on the 30th again. After outlined, okay, yeah, this is it. So there were actually okay. Let's put this anyway. But I didn't trade these. I don't think I'm gonna trade them as long as they're OTC. I don't like OTC. I don't think the market do the market stops work on OTC. I don't know. NBIS looks good. Oh, I'm lagging again. Anyway, um, yeah, maybe we're back. Maybe we're not. Who the fuck knows? I'm not gonna get overly excited just yet. I'm not trading these. I just had them open because along with CPI, I guess these are pretty important. Anyway, uh, oh, someone said serve. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna rush back into anything. When was the offering? The offering was here. Okay. Just be nimble, guys. I wouldn't commit too hard either way. We have the inauguration, right, on the 20th, and the stock market is closed that day. We also have what do we have? I don't know if these are actually that important anymore. It's CPI. These are all secondary now. Uh, but the other thing was that fuck, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah. Do I have no, let me use the one that updates live. Okay. So obviously dollar has been rallying. Uh it's not always correlated, but since the election it kind of okay. Yields dropping. That makes sense. Maybe topping out? Have bonds bottomed? Hood? Yeah, I got an alert probably earlier, right? I just yeah, this alert. I got a ton of alerts. I just kind of ignored them. What the fuck? This piece of shit. Okay. Oh, so the other thing I was watching is Nat Gas. Actually looks pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna trade it though, 'cause I just don't want to. But if inflation is still like a narrative, maybe commodities could be good. I mean, energy has been rallying, right? Because USO. Well, actually, let's go with WTI. This one, Brent, right? And the gasoline. I guess if you bought Hood, it's all right. I mean, it's obviously it looks like it's gonna go higher. I just yeah, it's really strong. I don't know what else to tell you. Which one do I have this in? Do I have this in? I need to put this in two. So I need to consolidate these. I need to remove a bunch of things. A bunch of these names are dead. Anyway. So yeah, this is pretty bullish, in my opinion, technically speaking. Uh, I was extremely bearish because of this head and shoulders, but I guess if the head and shoulders fails, it's very bullish, just like Bitcoin. But who knows? Like I said, who the fuck knows? Ripple started going in crypto land. I don't have a position. Unfortunately, I cut a bunch of things that I shouldn't have cut, like Roblox, I guess. But it doesn't really matter. Fubo, I sold the rest on this day, I believe, or did I just sell it? I honestly don't remember. I sold it either here or here. January, I am slightly down for January now because of I was up, I was up, I was up until I started trying to um play the short side. I really I really just gotta not play the VIX. I lost like 5% of my account longing UVIX because I'm retarded. Every time I trade volatility, I had to like remind myself. I like make a vow to not trade it again, and then I end up. Actually, Fubo was what made a decent amount of my small gains early on. But anyways, hopefully it's all good now, though. We can just get back to longing things like a normal person. I I saw it. I just I had the alert. I just yeah, I don't know. I just didn't want it yet. It's not bad. The only thing I really liked is Tesla after I didn't no, I did try it yesterday. I did trade Tesla yesterday. That's right. I longed it. Okay, so I longed it on Monday and I sold it like end of day because of PPI. And then I tried it again yesterday and I stopped out low days. I've actually been using hard stops again. I just don't put them at low of day. I put it like slightly below low of day. I think I put this one like 410. And then oh yeah, that's right. I did try VST. I bought VST here and then I just sold it here. And then I didn't buy it yesterday. But yeah, it's a good buy. I just I really was not feeling this PPI. I mean the CPI data is pretty spooked. So I'm still pretty cautious. Same with CEG. I did try it this day and I sold it this day. That's right. I did trade these two. And I tried an Oclo bounce on this day and I just sold it the same day, I think. Am I forgetting any other trades? I haven't done too much. Oh yeah, this got pummeled. Anyway, I'm not super optimistic about things yet. I'm just yeah, hood looks good. Maybe I should be in it, whatever. Let's start moving things to 3. All I got is Tesla, dude. Yeah, like a lot of these small caps I think are dead. Or at least the volume's gone. These battery names. This is very short-lived rally. Sell the news, CES. Anyway, just Tesla. Oh yeah, Enoviz. I ended up selling this end of that day. I think that was my last stream. And I cut a bunch of shit that day because Should be fucked. Let's see, what's Geo doing? Okay. I pass on this day, whatever. Oh, you could have rebought here. You know what? Let's make this a horizontal line. Yeah, MBIS is interesting. If you have another leg up, it might be leading. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know how to chart this exactly because I think a lot of people think it's an IPO because they're retarded. But yeah, I don't know if these levels matter. They might. Who knows? These old RSX Russian levels, you know. We'll see. PDYN. This looks interesting. I can't. I don't feel like buying any small caps, honestly. Oh yeah, that's right. I traded DJT. That's right. I sold it. I just sold it this day though. I traded DJT. I'm not that interested in it, honestly. Yeah, it's no, you're not. Yeah, your chart looks like it's not your fault. Your chart looks like that. It's just you got to know what this is. So this used to trade on the RSX, the Russian exchange, and then they moved to Denmark, I believed. They moved to Denmark. Look, see, it was used to trade on Yandex. Okay, so this was the day it started trading on Nasdaq. See, look, see the dates? February 2022, October 24. I believe they moved to Denmark because it's NV now, right? NV is Denmark, and it should say uh, Netherlands, not Denmark. Amsterdam. Yeah, Netherlands. Yeah, that's right. I think you don't use the crossing above trend line on trading. Yeah, um, I just use the regular alerts. I know there's other ones. I just use crossing. I guess you can use greater than. Uh, I have had some issues with alerts. I just assumed it was lag on TradingView part. Uh, okay. Anyway, if conditions aren't good, by the way, I might just take another vacation. So I don't know how much I'm gonna be streaming into this year. Just FYI. Oh, the crossing trend line? Yeah, sometimes that's iffy. I don't actually know how that works sometimes. Sometimes it feels like it shouldn't trigger and it does. I generally I use trendline alerts sometimes, but generally speaking, I like to use price alerts. I use both though. I do use both. I'm not even gonna bother setting alerts on both of these. These are I think a lot of these might be done. Damn, this is still alive. Is Kit dead? Thank God. Is Rum dead? No? Okay. Jan 10, this doesn't really have an effect. Oh wow, this actually looks pretty good now. Is this liquid though? It doesn't look that. Never mind, it doesn't look that good. I think a lot of these are just done though. Uh, uh, you know, a lot of this shit has so much work to do. Ugh. Okay, what's my Tesla doing? Yeah, it looks good. Compass? Oh, nice. It's actually going. Do I own a Tesla? No, I do not. My parents do though. I'm not gonna get a Tesla. If I get an electric car, I'll get something different. Do I recommend buying a Tesla? Tesla's just the cheapest option for like something with long range. I'd recommend buying a well, I would recommend buying a Chinese car, but they're gonna be hit with tariffs, so probably not worth it. I have an automobile. I don't need another one. BBIO. Oh yeah, what did this I forgot to add a bunch of things to my like there's a bunch of biotechs that kind of went, right? Because oh shit. I was like, did biotech bottom? And then this fucking day right here. Okay. Which other ones do I want to ditch right now? Rose? What the fuck? My typing is slow. Oh yeah. What's it in? Do I have it under 3? I guess I can move it up to 2. Oh, this is such a piece of shit. I should just get rid of some of these names. But for now, I'll put them in 3. What is this doing? Okay. Yeah, this is not gonna go. What was this again? Oh, this is the thing where they put a nano robot in the catheter or some shit like that. Uh, oh yeah, cart. Yeah, I know this. I saw this too. Whatever. Soundhound. Off the 50 day bounce and then probably sell off. Anyway, I hate to say I care about fundamentals because I don't, but I'm not gonna. I'm really hesitant to long things that are like uh that are like super speculative, right? These are gonna bounce, and I think they're gonna get rejected. Oh yeah, Nvidia. This was. I guess it's just refusing to break down from this level. Or is this the level? What's the level, guys? Let's just do 130. Yeah. Okay. Fubo. I'm gonna take it off this one. SMWB. It was too thin for me, but I guess yeah, sure. Not that clean though. Market ignores that oil is pumping. Yeah, I know. I was getting super bearish because of oil and I don't know, just the pattern in the indices. But things look. I do think that the sentiment might have been washed out though. You know what I mean? People shorting SPY. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to not be bearish and then I don't know, it's just yeah, I don't know. Where did I buy Tesla? I sold, bought, sold, bought, and bought. I bought it on open and I bought the VWAP tap. Where's the VWAP tap? Come on, show up. Or what? Did it really go that low? Oh, I must have bought I bought it like I bought like 408 too. Anyway, uh we'll see if we can get past 420-ish. 420-ish will be pretty bullish. It keeps getting rejected at like around here, but this 414 is already pretty bullish because it's the old all-time high. Yeah, Ripple's going crazy. Anyway, I'm probably gonna be streaming less for what it's worth. Sorry guys, just I might stream more if the market heats up, but I don't really foresee that happening until, I mean, who knows? I just don't. I'm just not super excited to be in front of screens all the time right now. I might go on another trip. Just FYI. Well, streaming is only fun when you're like when everything's going right. And anyway, I'm gonna cut the stream now too. I'm gonna go. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna go on a walk because I don't fucking know. Like, are the toxins in the air or not? I don't know. Like I keep seeing tweets about how like even though the AQI is low and the sky is clear, there's like toxins in the air that we can't see from all the asbestos and shit that burned. So who the fuck knows? Yeah, I do have an air purifier. It just went off if you can hear it. It's got like an auto I guess why did it go off? Oh, 'cause I hit the vape and it detected that. So now it's purifying the air. But yeah, it's an automatic one. Oh yeah, there's wildfires in Greece. I don't know much about. I guess the climate is similar. I guess that makes sense. Which air purifier you got? I got the big Conway, the Conway 200 something. I don't know. It's not the best one, but it's decent. I think. I don't know. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go. Fucking. I don't know, man. I might go back to sleep. But yeah, later, guys. Until next time.